They figured it out?
Let me introduce myself. I'm
Mr. Beast!
Opponent.
Sorry, Miguel, but I'm in a hurry right now.
I'm about to bomb this whole motherfucking plane.
Miguel, what are you doing here?
Take a look and figure it out.
You're a tenacious one.
I have just 12 more minutes until my quota runs out. I'll keep fighting for my life!
That rope, it has an unusual curse woven into it. It's disrupting my techniques.
So this is the limitless jujutsu technique that Gojo mentioned. Makes it all possible is the power of his eyes.
How many decades do you think it took the sorcerers in my country to weave this rope imbued with cursed energy?
Like I care.
Shut your man, shut your back the fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on. Hey man, you need to sit your motherfucking ass.
Huh?
Hey bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet! Chicken. Come on, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.